Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to select coordinates date on the Gaia GPS application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon next to the saved button at the lower bar on the screen, and you can find the third option, the appearance. Here, go to the unit section and you can find the last option, the coordinate datum. Click that and you can select two options. For example, click to the second and just click to the circle. And that's it and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.